Hey there! Are you tired of struggling to lose weight? Are you sick of fad diets that just don't work? Well, have you heard of the paleo diet? It's a diet that's been around for millions of years and can help you shed those unwanted pounds. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to lose weight with the paleo diet. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. The paleo diet is a way of eating that mimics the diet of our ancestors during the Paleolithic era. It's based on the idea that our bodies are better suited to eating the foods that our ancestors ate, such as lean meats, fish, fruits, and vegetables, rather than the processed foods that are so common in our modern diets. So, how can you use the paleo diet to lose weight? Here are some tips. Eat more protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle, and it can also help you feel full for longer. So make sure to include plenty of protein in your meals, such as grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, and free-range poultry. Cut out processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, all of which can contribute to weight gain. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Incorporate healthy fats. While it may seem counterintuitive, eating healthy fats can actually help you lose weight. Fats like avocado, coconut oil, and olive oil can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Avoid grains and dairy. Grains and dairy are not part of the paleo diet, as they were not consumed during the Paleolithic era. Cutting these foods out of your diet can help you lose weight and improve your overall health. Stay active. While diet is an important part of losing weight, staying active is just as important. Make sure to get regular exercise, whether it's through a structured workout program or simply by taking daily walks. So there you have it, folks, our top tips for losing weight with the paleo diet. Remember, it's all about eating whole, unprocessed foods and staying active. If you're ready to make a change, give the paleo diet a try and see how it can transform your life. If you have any question, then leave it comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.